Hello friends, welcome to my channel. I am here with most repeated and frequently asked CTET CDP questions. These questions are asked in CDP paper of CTET many times. So it is very important for all of you. So if you like the video, please share and subscribe. Question number 1. Development of a child is A. Quantitative only, B. Qualitative only, C. Both quantitative and qualitative, D. Only controlled by heredity. Answer is C. Both quantitative and qualitative. Development includes increase in height, weight, that is quantitative, and improvement in thinking, emotions, behavior, that is qualitative. For example, a child growing taller is quantitative growth, and becoming more confident is qualitative. Second question is learning by doing is associated with which psychologist? A. Skinner, B. Vygotsky, C. Piaget, D. John Dewey. Answer is D. John Dewey. Dewey believed children learn best through practical experience and activity. So what they do, they learn more efficiently. So instead of lecturing about plants, asking students to plant seeds and see the plants coming out from the seeds is more important for child to learn instead of theories. Question number 3. According to Piaget, the conservation concept is developed in A. Sensory motor stage, B. Pre-operational stage, C. Concrete operational stage, D. Formal operational stage. Answer is C. Concrete operational stage, which is from 7 years to 11 years. Children realize quantity remains the same despite the shape and appearance of the tumbler or whatever utensil we use is changed. So water in a tall glass versus white ball is still the same amount. Now at this stage, child are able to understand. Question number 4. Scaffolding in learning is related to A. Thorndike, B. Skinner, C. Vygotsky, D. Pavlov. Answer is C. Vygotsky. Temporary support provided by teachers or peers until the learner becomes independent is called scaffolding, and it is given by Vygotsky. Teacher helps in solving a problem step by step, then lets the child to do it alone. So first teacher